my time, you all I want.
So let's have a look at iron ore. So we can see iron ore since 2015. This sort of uptrend line was giving it support. $80 seems to be a key level of support resistance. Peaked April 21. We've now got a downtrend line, and it's basically struggling at the round number of $100 for the last year. So I've done some scenarios here. So base case, so 60% chance. China continues what we already know it's going to do in terms of stimulus, and basically it's baked into the price already. So that's with the stimulus they've already told us about. Something to try and get excited about case, 30% chance. China ramps up more than they've told us. Maybe the price gets up to $110, $115, so a little bounce up here. Or for the mega bulls, which unfortunately for all of us mega bulls, we always go for the 10% chance. So China implements a massive stimulus, like a bang, boom, bang, buildings and property bailouts, but all we're going to get is $120 back up here. So not looking good for the iron ore price. All right, we'll go for the next one. Okay, so we're looking at the aluminium price chart. So it's this, let's just call it $3 because they like round numbers. It's been a key level of resistance or support. So had a huge run up there in March 22, and it's just hanging around at $3 mark. So nothing exciting going on there. So I've done some scenarios anyway. So scenario 1, so we have strong global demand growth with moderate supply constraints. So 40% chance, so I guess the most likelihood, pushing prices up 15 to 20%. So we might come back here around this region here. Scenario 2, robust demand growth with significant supply disruptions, 30% chance. So we'll drive prices up a bit more, so maybe we'll have a peak, go up a little bit higher. And the base case, moderate growth with balanced supply, 30% likelihood. So prices basically hang around here. So a lot of this depends on the whole EV, solar panels, but yeah, nothing extremely bullish for doing one of these ones for a while by the looks of it. Alright, we'll move on to the next one. Okay, so having a look at RIO, and since 2020, it's really just been ranging around, probably holding up pretty well considering. So we've just looked at the iron ore and the aluminium prices, which look basically flat. Copper, I actually covered that in a separate video, but essentially copper's off to the races. Nothing like our so nothing like iron ore and aluminium. It's not in the same league. So RIO will get a bit of a boost from copper, but it's only 12%. So more than likely it's just going to be a dividend play without growth, I would say. If it does drop for whatever reason, you probably buy and accumulate. yeah, that would be the best thing, is just wait for dips and buy them. Because yeah, that aluminium and oil prices, as you saw, aren't going anywhere fast upwards. I don't think we're going to be seeing one of these moves for a while. Yeah, China's, yeah, China can't do one of these things again, basically. So we're in range bound for RIO, I'd say. Alright, thank you. Please subscribe or leave a comment if you agree or disagree. Thank you.